Gifts received from relatives are exempt from tax. Who will be considered as relative for the purpose of claiming such exemption? As per the Income Tax Act of Section 56, the sum of money received from any of your relatives are fully exempt from tax. Here the relatives term defines by the Income Tax Act as follows: spouse of the individual, brother or sister of the individual, brother or sister of the spouse of the individual, brother or sister of either of the parents of the individual, any lineal ascendant or descendant of the spouse of the individual, any lineal ascendant or descendant of the individual. In case of Hindu undivided family, any member thereof. Are monetary gifts received by an individual or Hindu undivided family taxable? For example, if you are receiving sum of money 10,000 rupees from your uncle, it is fully exempt from tax. If the following conditions are satisfied, then any sum of money received, i.e., monetary gift, may be received in cash, check or draft etc. by an individual, half will be charged to tax. Sum of money received without consideration. The aggregate value of such sum of money received during the year exceeds 50,000 rupees. Marriage of the individual is the only occasion when monetary gift received by him will not be charged to tax. Are monetary gifts received from abroad chargeable to tax? If the aggregate value of monetary gift received during the year by an individual or half exceeds Rs. 50,000 and the gifts are not covered under the exceptions discussed in earlier part, then gifts whether received from India or abroad will be charged to tax. What is tax treatment of a movable property received as gift by an individual or half? Are gifts of movable property received by an individual or half charged to tax? If the following conditions are satisfied, then a movable property received without consideration by an individual or half will be charged to tax. A movable property, being land or building or both, is received by an individual or half. The immovable property is a capital asset. The stamp duty value of such a movable property received without consideration exceeds 50,000 rupees. Gifts received from non-relatives. Here non-relatives means anyone who doesn't come under the above mentioned relation for year. In this case, tax you are exempt up to maximum of 50,000 rupees for a financial year. If you receive the sum of money worth more than 50,000, you are liable to pay the tax on aggregate amount, i.e. total amount received. This rule applies when the gift is a sum of money, whether in cash, by way of check, bank draft or any articles which is value more than 50,000 rupees. For example, when you are receiving a gift of 1 lakh rupees for the best performing in your company, 1 lakh rupees shall be liable to tax.